most of the time I said, when we do the M, we start with taking. You have to take first. So nice, so lecker. Before you give. Do you also want to have? I have something for you. And sometimes you must even finish with taking. Because taking can also be giving. Let your inner react. Breathe. But when we deal with cancer, then it's also sometimes good to practice this breathing out. Yeah? To directly dive into this letting go, that you start here and you just go. And now it's not taking and giving, it's just breathing. And then you let the breath come back. And if you do it forward or downwards or diagonally, just do it the way it feels good for you. But it's diving into something. And the legs, they do what they want. Just how it feels good. And you turn again. It's just, I dive into something. I move in something. And I feel the space I'm moving through with this gesture. And I do not over-inhale. I just let it fill up again. Yeah? But the general gesture is everything what should go can go. Yeah? With the breath. And the refreshing energy just comes back by itself. When we do it with both hands, then we just find out, what do the legs do? And they're not stiff. And it's connecting, it's merging into something. Sort of submerging. And a very tender emerging. Submerging. Arrive at yourself. Breathe. Let go. And what we try a little bit is that the space around us is not an empty space. I'm only moving here. But when I walk through air. There is something. And when we now do the M a little bit like this once again, and maybe even with a few steps with it, do it as you like, have the feeling you move through something and you can even see how you're doing it. But you do not see it intellectually, but you use all your body sensations, so you have the M, you prepare for it, and then you start with step or without step. And you use the sensations in your muscles that you can see. One arm is going forward, the other comes to me. And you use the sensations in your hand that you can see the hands are turning. And you can see they're looking upwards and pushing through something. And I go backwards now. The main thing is that you now have the impression that all senses of your body form a sort of visual picture. You know, you move, you feel, you move, you see, feeling-wise, your leg move backwards, the hand move forward. And let go. And breathe. And when we do the streaming way of moving, that you have the one leg in front, the other one behind, and you invite the sensations around your body to stream forwards with the hands. And then you have the feeling, wow, yes, now it takes my leg along. And when you're in front, you turn the hands, and yeah, it brings me back a little bit. And you do it so slowly. Let go, submerge, and then when do the hands bring the stream forward? When does the stream move the legs? Now it brings the legs back. The hands move the stream, the leg. And short pause. And take a deep breath. That's perhaps necessary, because I somehow was pushing you downwards a little bit. Try to do something down there. And unconsciously you put pressure on yourself. I have to go down. And then you really need to, dive up and breathe again over water, But the M is the art of contradictions, or the basic principle. So when we now try to do this down there, where are the forces which make us light? These we should look for. So the hands dive into this substance down there. They take the leg along. But what makes me light? At least here, when I let go, I feel the space of lightness. And then I go forward again. But can already, when I detect this, I concentrate on below. Where are the forces of lightness? And again. Yes, I want to be active down there. I create this dream, but where are the lightened forces? Can I feel them around me? I dive into my body. Can I sense something around my body? And the very last time. I dive into my body in these dreams and sense also what's around my body. Feel your legs now. Let your breath go. Breathe and carefully sit down. How do you perceive your chest now? And when you search for what's breathing quality in your body now, what kind of traces do you discover? And do these feelings unfold or disappear?